Hi there. Don't mind me, just... Alright guys, so I got these in the mail yesterday. Now you see 2 boxes here, but I got 3 boxes. I cracked one of these boxes open because I was like, what the heck is inside? It's so heavy. And guys, look at this. This is the limited edition box for the limited edition art book. And I was like, okay, we gotta stop right here because I don't want to open these up without sharing it with you guys. Because you guys and all of your support over the years is what made this possible. I'm feeling so grateful today and I'm feeling very happy. This is like the 4th day in my life that I've ever felt this way. I'm just gonna move these boxes here. Here's my Japanese chef's knife. And we're gonna open these up. Just gonna slice that open. Hopefully I don't cut the book. Watch it not even be books in this box. Watch it just be a bunch of weapons that I ordered illegally. Come on. Oh. Now if you guys stick around for a little bit longer after I unbox these books, I'm gonna flip through them so you can see the content inside. Oh yeah, these are books. These are heavy. All right, okay, let's see what's inside. Oh. Oh my, this is the back. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, look at that, look, oh. Oh my goodness. Can't believe this, guys. Is this real life? Oh, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can hear that. The cover feels a little bit soft and rubbery. It's got this really nice texture. It reminds me of my buttocks after a fresh shower. The quality on this feels fantastic. And I believe if you guys were a part of the Kickstarter, you'll be getting this extra sleeve, but let's take the, oh my, no way. Oh, look at that. This is beautiful. It's a little glossy part right here for the title. I love that touch. Oh, it's squeaky. Ugh. What about the ugh? Oh, at the back. That's awesome. Love this piece. Oh, dedicated to my mom and dad. Always appreciate your parents, guys. Let me just see what's in this other box real quick. I think this is just more copies of the book. So obviously, I've not had a chance to flip through this book yet, but I'm gonna show you guys what's inside in just a second, flip through it. Man, I am so happy with this. I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's surreal that I'm holding this physical thing that contains all of my artwork inside. I don't wanna be cheesy, guys, but this is a dream come true. Look at that, you open that up, I love this color. Picked this color especially because it's one of my favorite colors. I don't know if you guys can feel my happiness right now, but I really just wanted to share this moment with you guys because this is really special. Thank you for making my dream come true. A dream that I've had since I was a little boy. And somehow it's here, it's in my hands. So I'm gonna go grab my table real quick and show you guys real quick just some of the pages in this book, give you a sense of what's gonna be inside. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this. This is beautiful. If you guys stick around to the end, I'm gonna open up that box of limited edition book for you guys, just to see what's inside. This is beautiful. Contents. Oh, I love it. This is the introduction page. The quality of the print definitely looks great. Look at that. There's me, guys. First memories of drawing. These are some of my old childhood pieces. It's really cool that they made it into an art book. Old sketches. There's some world building here, some character designs here. Man, they look good on paper. I mean, like, they were already on paper before, but printed on paper, it just feels, this feels so official. Ooh, there's a map, look at that. I don't want to spoil all of this for you guys because I want you guys to find some nice surprises when you flip through this book. But yeah, there's some other sketches in here. Just, oh, this looks so good. I love this text, the title text, the body text. Oh, that's good. Nice and simple, minimalistic. Yeah, I remember this piece. This was the very first piece that I made on the Cintiq 24. I remember at the time I spent like $3,000 on that tablet and it was basically my whole bank account. So I was very stressed. I was like, man, this thing better work. And when I finally came up with this piece, I was like, all right, it does work. There you go, look at that. That's my workspace. That's where we get all of the drawings and paintings done. And we got some sketches in here. This honestly might be my favorite part of the entire art book, just all of these sketches and the kinds of like behind the scenes artwork, because you really don't get to see much of these guys on Instagram. So Really cool to have these in a book. This is a very nice spread. I love this. So we're getting to about the halfway point here, and this is another gallery just to showcase of some of the works that I've made. Man, they look so good on print. I mean, this is very high quality printing, but also just having the physical piece in front of you and being able to just see it on paper instead of on a screen, I feel like it does a lot for the art. Yeah, like all of these pieces, they look so much better than I remember them. I feel like I always have this imposter syndrome that like my artwork is, it's just okay, you know, it's not like, it's nothing great, but seeing this printed kind of puts things into perspective here. I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with this. Oh, and this is the good stuff, guys. This is the how I work section. And in here, I've actually put together some tutorials for you guys on the way that I like to work for some of the things that I'm most well known for, such as lighting, expressions. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful models here. This actually looks so much better in person. This is crazy. We got some tutorials on expressions here. Fantastic. Gallery 2. God, I love these pieces. Like some of these, like this one right here, I actually haven't even posted, you know? This is just, maybe I should post this one. I kind of like this piece. Now we're getting towards the end of the book here, and some of these pieces are actually made after we already finalized the format of the book. But my friends at 3D Total Publishing were like, yo, you gotta put these in the book. So here they are, and I don't know what it is, but that looks so much better on paper than I ever remember it looking. What is this? What is this magical substance? Paper. Oh, Jesus. And thank you. That's probably going to be the theme of this video, you guys. Thank you for making all of this possible. Thank you for your support. Finally, I'd like to extend my thanks to you and to the global community of artists. You guys and your passion for drawing, creating worlds, and telling stories through your art inspire me each and every day. Thanks for hanging on to the little spark of creativity that so many people extinguish as they grow up. Keep nurturing that passion, and it will reward you in ways that you could never have imagined. And that's it. God, I'm so happy. Okay, guys, what do you think? Should we open up one of the limited edition boxes? And for those wondering, you know, how much design did I actually put into this book? Well, because I actually went to design school for 4 years, I did a lot of work on this. Okay, so this title, made it myself, the choice of the white spine, the placement of the text, the placement of the logo. And 3D Total was nice enough that they gave me free reign on, you know, the layout of a lot of these pages. So I've had a say in pretty much the entire design of this book. You know, the minimal look, the page numbers, the text, you know, where to place the images, had a say in everything. So this really is my baby. Okay, this is not something that I just handed off to somebody else to make for me. This is my baby. Anyways, that being said, look at this thing right here. So this is the box right here for the limited edition book that we made a few hundred copies of. And you got a nice signature on the bottom there, nothing on the top. And on the back, look at that. Who's this little guy? I'm gonna open this guy up. Now I've actually not seen what's inside. I've been saving this for you guys too. Oh, look at that. Come on. This is so premium. This is like this feels like an Apple box. Here's some Sam Desarts branded sticky notes. That's kind of cute. I'll make use of this. And we actually made a little custom sketchbook here. That's nice and solid. And look at the back. There's the back cover, front cover. I love this. Oh my. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna open this box first. It seems like there's a letter here. This is really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a little embossed logo here on the front. And this is magnetic. Oh, this looks amazing. I love this. You know, when I was coming up with the cover for this book, this image was one of my other options. And sometimes I do wish that I had went with this image, but I'm glad there's a version of this book with this this sleeve out there. I mean, look at that. They look so good together. I love them both. You know, these are both two of my favorite pieces that I've ever made. Oh my God. Wait, dude, the edge is printed. Do you see the clouds on the edge? Oh, that's insane. Oh my God. This is a bit too premium for my blood. But inside, you know, I think it should all be the same stuff still. So I want to just take this sleeve off and see what the cover looks like. Oh, it's golden. Oh, I love that. I love that. That's awesome. This is gonna look so good just sitting on a table or on a shelf or something. You can see the texture on here too. See that texture on the surface? This is crazy, guys. This might be the best day of my life. There's a little handwritten note. My handwriting is so ugly. Let's just cover that up real quick. I don't want to see that anymore. This is so beautiful, man. No way. These are all the goodies, I think, that we got from the Kickstarter campaign. So if you guys ordered on Kickstarter, you're gonna get all of these. Look at these stickers. Birds, cats, pigeons, and some bookmarks here, double-sided. These feel really nice and thick. And look at that. A couple of postcards. There it is. There's the art book. It's finally here. For those of you guys who have ordered this book already, it's probably gonna be in your hands soon. I'm at a loss for words right now, guys. I just want to say thank you. Thank you guys for being here, for watching this video, for showing your support through the years. You know, even if you didn't get an art book, I'm just thankful for you for being here. And really every single one of you guys who have ever like watched one of my videos or clicked on one of my drawings, liked one of my drawings, you guys made this possible. So thank you. Thank you once again. I don't think I'll ever get to a point where I'm gonna take your guys' love for granted. And I hope that my videos, my drawings can give you guys as much joy as you have given me. Anyways, that's it for today. I just wanted to have this amazing experience with you. I'll probably make some more videos on this. Crazy, what a wild day. I'll see you guys on the next video. Look at this whole mess on the ground here. I literally have all these cardboard boxes out, all these prints out, because guess what, guys? I'm gonna be doing another art exhibition at OCAD, September 14th to 15th. Hope I got that right. I've got all these stickers. Look at this little bro. I've got a bunch of prints here, a bunch of postcards. I'm gonna be there selling some of these goods. And if you guys are gonna be in the area, if you're gonna be in Toronto at all, please come out that weekend. Come and meet me. Come say hi. Just come hang out with me, please. I'm lonely.